Welcome back. You can start your query inside of gemini.google.com and you can place your query inside of Gemini. You can then click enter and then Gemini will generate results for you. At the end of your results, you will then have the ability to double check your response with Google search. You can click on that element. What the chatbot does is then evaluate all of the responses inside of Google, and Google will color code its results. So you can go back based on search and you can find other results inside of the chatbot query. For example, if we click in this element, we can then search inside of an element that Google search has found for us. So you can use the chatbot experience inside of Google, but the way to use it is to start first with the chatbot in Gemini and then use Google search in order to verify and understand the results that Google makes certain. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.